Excuse the noise in the background, that's my fan because it's like 500 degrees. I got my cat's eye gel. It's hard to, whoa, it's hard to pick it up, but that's the magnetic cat's eye. Trying to get it into a position so that I can see it working, but it's not. Of course it's working for my eyes though, but not you. So and I made little flowers. Where are they? There they are. For goodness sake. It's like brushing your hair in a mirror. Like I can't do it. Let me do this. You can set, there you go, your little flowers on this one. Then you got your, I love that colour. These are literally, this does not do any justice. You have to actually see them to be able to give them justice. They're just so nice. Anyway, I got those, and I got a grey, what's a holographic glitter. Woo, that's pretty. This one is like a pink and silver. And this one is a blue, like a light blue. My dog is going to eat somebody. And this is like a pink. And this is, I thought it was like, see, no, on camera it's blue. I thought, like, when I'm looking at it, it looks like green and red, and I thought it would be good for Christmas, but no, because now it's only good for Spider-Man, because it's blue and red.